So for the last portion of this class, you are going to learn how to deploy your web application. You are going to be deploying two applications. You are first going to deploy the authentication lab assignment because I know that one works and is deployable. So you're going to do that one. And once you deploy the lab assignment, you should throw me an email so that I correct it right away. Because after you deploy that, you will want to deploy your term project. And you can get a free account at myasp.net, but they only let you deploy one project at a time. So what you will end up having to do is deploy authentication, wait for me to correct it, then you'll remove that app and you will deploy your capstone project. And there are directions in the lecture demo on how to get an account, how to wire up the database, how to publish to that site. And then there are directions as well as how to, remove then the database and the app so that you can do another one. So both the lab assignment and the capstone are due on the 8th, but you are going to want to turn in the lab assignment before the 8th. So I have enough time to correct it, and then you can remove it and deploy your capstone. Um, the showcase for your capstone project is also due on the 8th. And so that we'll take a look at those requirements, but that's basically adding a link to your deployed app and then doing a little demo on that. So we'll look at those specific requirements. The unit test and the peer review of the showcases are due at the end of the semester. The very last day is the 14th, so that is when they are due. So let's take a look at the requirements for the showcase. So you can see the assignments, your deployed application, unit test with the due dates. Then here is the capstone project and showcase requirements. So we'll take a look at that. For your capstone, you're going to submit a link to the application in this Dropbox. For your showcase, you do need a PowerPoint, so you're going to submit the PowerPoint here. And then this is the discussion where you're going to post the information to. And so let's take a look. For your showcase requirements, you need a PowerPoint and you need to address all of these talking points. And that is what I'm going to be grading you on. Okay. So that is the requirement. Then you guys are going to do a little video and you're going to demo your site and your PowerPoint. So you'll run the slideshow. Now, typically, and you can do this in whatever order you want, but a lot of students will do the PowerPoint first, and then they will go ahead and demo the app, all in the same video. Okay, so that is what you then should be posting is the video to the showcase. And then as far as the review goes, this is what I am looking for. This is how many points you are going to get, but you're going to reply to your peers' posts and take a look at their app as far as functionality, the look, feel, and style, the ease of use for their user interface. That's what you're going to be evaluating for the app. And then for the presentation, it'll be the organization and flow, completeness, and overall quality. And if you guys did create the PowerPoint slideshow, which is a requirement, I would probably do each one of these bullet points on a separate slide. For an overview of the models and controllers and views, you may need more than one slide, but I would try to do each of these on separate slides so that it's very clear that you have met that requirement. So that is pretty much everything for the semester. You will notice that I did include the grading scale, uh, but this isn't going to be super accurate until I've graded everything from the capstone, everything that is due. So by the end of the semester, there are 1,000 points. And so this grading scale is what, is in our syllabus. So not all of the assignments will have been corrected until the end of the semester, although I will try to get everything corrective relatively quick, especially because your deployed authentication app needs to be corrected so that you can then remove it and put your term project up. So if you guys have questions or problems, please let me know because I am here to help you. And especially at the end of the semester, I have a lot of labs in my other classes, and you are, welcome to pop in and ask for help. So, let me know if you're struggling, and I have plenty of time to meet with you.